Welcome to Smart English, the channel that makes learning English fun, easy, and smart.
Here, we bring you real conversations from daily life, at the cafe, in the office, traveling, and more, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
With every video, you'll learn new words, expressions, and speaking tips, all through simple, smart conversations.
So if you're ready to improve your English the smart way, hit subscribe and join us today. Smart English. Learn fast. Speak smart.
The conversation is at the bookstore.
Oh, sorry. Were you about to grab this one?
Yeah, but go ahead. You probably saw it first.
The Midnight Library. Have you read it?
Not yet, but I've heard it's really good.
Same here. You ever notice how the books everyone talks about are always out of stock?
It's like they vanish as soon as they become popular.
Honestly, I came here for something different, something light. My brain needs a break.
Same. I usually go for thrillers, but sometimes I just want a book that feels like a warm blanket.
Exactly. Do you have a favorite?
Probably The Alchemist. It's simple, but it sticks with you.
Oh, I love that one too. It's one of those books you can reread at different ages and find new meaning.
Wow, you said that way better than I could.
What about you? Are you more of a paper book person or ebooks?
Paper, definitely. I like the smell of new books.
You're one of those people who sniffs books. Huh?
Guilty. Don't judge me.
No judgment. I do the same. You know, I didn't expect to get recommendations from a stranger today.
Well, bookstores are the best places for accidental conversations.
True, coffee shops too.
Combine the two, and you've got perfection books and coffee.
I think we just solved life.
So, what did you decide on?
A cozy mystery. Something easy for the weekend. You.
A travel memoir. Maybe it'll inspire my next adventure.
Sounds like a good escape. Well, maybe I'll see you around here again.
I hope so. Next time, you can recommend me something.
Deal.